In this video, we'll be looking at the Smart Response pages found in the Pages section of the Lesson Activity Toolkit. What is Smart Response? Smart Response is a clicker system that was introduced a while ago to support and work within Notebook so that the teachers could get instant feedback from the students, and they would do this using a clicker system with set questions. The software has advanced so that we can use any device to add in our answers alongside that. Smart response pages are templates that are used for these devices. However, if you do not have these devices, you can still use these pages to assess your children and get feedback in a different way, either by raising hands, the children writing their answers on a board and lifting it, coming up to the board and writing the answers there and working it out, or telling how many people have said yes or no or true or false. Where do we find these pages? If I click on the Gallery tab and click on Lesson Activity Toolkit, go down to Pages and click on Smart Response Pages, you'll find the 6 different types of templates that we have for these pages. We have multiple answer, multiple choice, numeric, traffic lights, true, false, and yes and no. If you click on one of them, it will then open and give you the different variety of pages that you can use. Let's have a look at each of these now. Multiple answer comes with 2 different types, 4 answers or 6 answers. And what we're able to do here is change the template by double clicking on the words and typing in what we want to change. You then have the answers, and you can go and double click and change the answers. The next type we get is multiple choice. Multiple choice comes with 4 different answers, but allows for you to put in multiple answers on your response device. However, if you're not using the response devices, this would be quite similar to multiple answer to ask your question. Again, you would just simply double click on the question or the answer and edit it. You can add a picture, a drawing. The students can come up and they can answer this by either picking up a pen and circling which answer they want, underlining it, ticking it, and so forth. The next type of template we get is numeric. And this is a simple question with a question mark. The students would need to work out what the question was, so they could come up to the board and they could work it out. If they have the response clickers, they would use their clickers, they would use paper, their books, and then submit the answer. Again, all you would do is double click on the question and change it. The next template is traffic lights. The sample that they give you refers to understanding. So, do you understand? A, no, I don't understand. B, I'm not completely sure. C, yes, I understand. And this is great for the middle of the lesson to assess whether they are understanding what's been taught, the knowledge that's been passed on. Again, you can change this into any topic you want or any set of questions that you want, and the robot can be used either by them having the colors and holding it up, or by us telling, or by coming up and circling on the board. The next template is true or false. Very straightforward. We have the words true or false. You can change the question, and then the students can then either raise their hands, or we can tally, or we can mark off. The last one is yes or no, and this comes in 2 formats, either the word yes or no, or a thumbs up or thumbs down for yes or no. Again, teachers without the response system can use this for tallying, or students can show their hands, or they can raise their hands to agree yes or no. When we use the response system, these pages automatically order themselves. They give themselves a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 every time we add a page in. This works so the system knows what question has been answered, but it's also great for the teachers that don't have it, because you can have 1 to 10 questions, 1 to 5 questions, and we can go back and it's got a question number. So if we go back up a few pages, you'll see this question 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and so on. So when you drag in or double click and add a page, it automatically adds another one. So let's go have a look. We're going to add in a question, and that becomes question 8 because I moved it before question 9. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.